SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Supermicomputer stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in this space with an actual track record and experience of 5 years, all documented, all on my YouTube channel, by the way, no one else has come even close to doing this. I've seen what's working and mainly shown you what's printing money. With SMCI especially, I'll tell you one thing. This is pumping, which is very nice. It's just that I'm still looking to double down even though it's pumping, you know what I mean? Like, I just hope I see some corrections, because it's on those corrections where I have an opportunity to buy finally. Well, right now it's just sort of going up, and that's fine. You know, if you position yourself accordingly and nicely, then now you're getting the fruits, you know, of your labor. But for me in this case, I guess I'm trying to plant the seeds at this point. So I do have a lot of receipts with SMCI in the Discord. Worry there's not lack of receipts with 93 results, and that's how it's looking like for me with SMCI. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.